It was certainly an amazing transition. After the Civil War is over, you had the occupation of the Union troops down here, and during that time period there was the South Carolina Land Commission, and that commission was intended to help get freed slaves land. What's rare about this property is that Jim Hutchinson, Henry's father, he actually helped acquire a large 400-acre tract of land that they all separated out between the whole group. Building this house was kind of a testament to, hey, you know, look at the abilities we have to make something really amazing for ourselves. You know, it's not as picturesque anymore because of all the stud walls that were put up, but you can see the interior is actually in so much better shape. Like, you look at the exterior, you're like, wow. The Land Trust got involved about 2016 when the last family descendant to own the property put it on the market, and groups of us started getting together and talking about, okay, how are we going to do this? We all knew it was important to restore it, just to save it. We've learned so much. So Henry, you know, he ginned cotton somewhere out here on the property or nearby. He was ginning cotton for a lot of people, not just himself. So everybody would bring their cotton to him and he would gin it, and then he would actually help distribute it. He would take a ferry over to Charleston, had a place in Charleston where he would wharf up and sell the cotton. Gosh, it had to be just, it's so hard to get inside the minds of these folks, imagining that you at one point were a slave and having to do this, not getting it, you know, compensated for it, and now it's all of a sudden your livelihood. We got a grant from the State Historic Preservation Office, and that's going to allow us to hire this structural engineer and this architect and a preservationist, and they're going to put together about a 2-month research assessment. So once we have those kind of details, then we'll be able to put together a fundraising campaign and you know, really hit the ground running. But it's not to be inhabited, it's not to be an office, you know, anything like that. It's to be shared with, you know, the local community, kind of like a monument in essence to the tribute of what that family meant to this island, still does to this island.